Welcome back to the channel. I just have to change to summer tires, or tires without nails, on this 2006 Land Cruiser. At the same time I was thinking if I check up and see if I'm going to change the back disc, because I have them, and also our calipers are supposed to be in the car here, so I just have to see. I can just start and jack it up, and yeah, first I have to loosen the wheel nuts a little and jack it up and set it on stands and things. Then I have brake calipers. New calipers. See on this. No, this brake disc was not. I was thinking maybe I had to change this, but they're not specially worn. So now I have to find 17 to change off the carrying things in here. Here the rubber things are screwed. Also in here is stuck with their nuts. So just to screw out those and have to disconnect this. But first I have to lock off the hose. To lock off the going to leak some brake fluid from here, because I can't get it off exactly what I want. No, of course, I'm doing it a little bit. I'm going to leak out brake fluid here. There's nothing I can do with it. I just have to fill up new. Yeah. Finally, I get it to loosen. Screwdriver. The whole caliper is loose. See, in the new, I don't have this mounting system. Take out the springs. Put them in here. This one is here. Now I put in the sliding system here. Just put in the brake pads again. That one in. Now I have to get this connector for brake fluid. And we have this special screw. The screw has a hole in it. Now I can open this hose. Not sure that was not strong enough. Yeah, then finish on this side. Now it's only bleeding the brakes that's missing here, but I take the other side and then we can go and do this. Yeah, then I'm on the other side. Taking out the old caliper, ruin rubber and things. Put in brake pads in this one, put the sliding thing in here. Then put up here. I had to get someone to help me to bleed the brake system in the back after cleaning up a little. Yeah, they're going to bleed the system. After change the calipers, we need to get sure that we have enough brake fluid. And just do the same on the other side. And then I go and check that is 120 Newton meters. Then it should be finished. Yeah. Then finished changing all four wheels. Have to go and fill up more air. I'll fill up here. I was out testing and back brakes seems to work perfectly. I have to check up the rest, but now you see how to change the back brake calipers. Maybe I have to change the front one too. One of them have been changed before. That's the one who was leaking a little, so I have to find out that. So thank you, please come back, please subscribe to the channel, and please put a comment. Thank you.